Welcome to Hkbeverage.com. Every week we're gonna show you how to make a perfect cocktail. Impress your friends with Hkbeverage.com. Alright guys, now we're gonna make one of my favorite drinks, which is a Daiquiri. Now we're gonna use rum. We're gonna use Bacardi as well. We have different ones. You can actually look for it on Hkbeverage.com as well. You will find any rum of your preference. But please try to use any white rum, because that's the best for the Daiquiri. Alright, for the Daiquiri, for the ingredients, we're gonna use 1.5 ounce of your rum. We're gonna use freshly squeezed lime juice. We're gonna use 1 ounce. I already squeezed mine. And we're gonna use 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. For this, before you shake, I highly recommend to add some ice on your coupe glass to chill it. You can use any spoon you have at home. Just give it a little nice stir. And we can dump this ice. And we add some ice on the shaker. Then we're gonna give it a nice shake for about 10 seconds. Then we're gonna fine strain our drink on our coupe glass. For our garnish, we're gonna use a lime wedge. I highly recommend, if you can, and I will explain it in another video, how to dehydrate our limes to give it a nice look. And we're just gonna let it sit on top. And here we go, our refreshing Daiquiri. Enjoy. Also, in case you want to add some flavor on your ingredients, like any fresh fruits like strawberry, mango, pineapple, passion fruit, you can add it on. You can actually add it on inside the shaker if you prefer, but for this Hummer and Heat, if you want to blend it, you can add all the ingredients same as you did for the Daiquiri. Instead of add it into a shaker, add it into a blender with the fresh fruit, blend it and have a frosty drink, which will be really good.
Oh, that's refreshing. That's really nice. That's not too citric. I thoroughly recommend this. Buy your products on Hkbeverage.com. Cheers.